Right, so we're here with James of IES. We're just looking at a solution for swing out doors in a scenario where you've got a shed or a garage door solution. And here we're using the D1000 with the G-swing kit. So we can see the type of doors that we're operating here, and this where you've got confined room, so you're still using it with the mounting as you would a standard garage door. And if we can just activate that, Ruben, if you want to come in, and we'll just show the doors closing. And then just the open, so James has also put the locks on here to make it more secure. Obviously it will have a transmitter and everything, so work is standard, and you just see the track as it moves down, and that adapter piece is pushing the doors open. And that's it. Simple solution. Thank you.